Let's take a look at this example. This time we're supposed to find the derivative of a given function with respect to u. Okay, so what we're supposed to do first, simply write that dw over du is equal. You're supposed to find derivative of the first term, which is going to be 3y to the second power. And we're supposed to find derivative of y. So I have dy over du. Okay, everything is according to the rule. Plus 2u. Okay, and I'm supposed to find the derivative of u. So I have du over du. Okay, so I have dw over du is equal 3y squared dy over du plus 2 du, because du divided by du is equal 1, and this is the solution to my problem.